Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a cat eye look. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3.5. First, I'm lining the lower edge of the brow, then I'm drawing on the top edge of the brow and creating an arch without placing any product at the front of the brow. Since my brows are pretty full, I'm just creating a few hair-like strokes within the brow shape I've created and then brushing through the hairs with the spoolie to blend the product. Next, I'm cleaning up the shape with a little concealer at the top, and then for the lower part of the brow, I'm using the P. Louise base, which helps to cover up any straggling hairs. Next, I'm setting the brows in place with the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit and tapping on the P. Louise base in shade 0.5 to act as my eyeshadow primer. My eyeshadow look is going to be very simple today. For my lid, I'm just using this one terracotta shade called Invite Only from the Buxom Boss Babe Betty palette. I'm applying this in my outer V and dragging it into my crease. In order to achieve depth, I'm concentrating it in my outer V and blending around that using circular or windshield wiper motions. For my inner corner, I'm popping on this golden shimmer shade called All Access using the MORPHE JH39 brush. Now for the cat eye, I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion Fine Point Eye Pen and first lining the lash line. Then I'm drawing a line out towards the tail of my brow from the outer corner of the eye and dragging it back towards the lash line, creating a wing. Then I'm adding a little wing at the inner corner of the eye, mimicking the eye of a cat. After that, I'm thickening up the whole thing so that it's more noticeable. Next, I'm cleaning up the wing by stamping a bit of concealer against the edge of it. This also helps to create a barrier so that I won't need to go very close to the wing when applying my face products. Moving on to face makeup, I'm priming with the Benefit Hydrating Porefessional Primer, which helps to moisturize and refresh the skin while also minimizing the appearance of pores. Next, I'm trying out the new Benefit Cosmetics Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation in the shade 2. As you can see, it's a little dark on me, but I'm making it work by blending it down my neck. This foundation is $32 and is a weightless medium coverage with SPF 20. For me, the downfall of this foundation is that it's available in only 12 shades and the simple fact of it being a stick foundation, which is something I've never really liked because I have dry skin. On the other hand, the positives include the fact that it's buildable, cruelty-free, and contains SPF. Next, I'm applying the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair to any areas I want to highlight, such as the center of my face and underneath my eyes.
I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out.
After blending that out with a damp beauty blender, I'm setting my face with the Hourglass Transparent Veil Powder. Next, I'm contouring with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer, which I'm applying to the hollows of my cheeks, along my hairline, jawline, and the sides of the bridge of my nose. For highlighter, I'm using the Benefit Cookie Highlighter, which I find gives a lovely wet look, and for blush, I'm using the Benefit Georgia Blush, which smells like real peaches. Next, I'm setting everything in place and melting the powders for a skin-like finish with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Then, I'm going back to the eyes and curling my lashes, skipping any shadow on the lower lash line. After that, I'm applying the Benefit They're Real Mascara and popping on the Ardell Faux Mink Lashes in the style 861. Next, I'm tightlining with the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion by Urban Decay and applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm lining my lips with the Mellow Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Rose, and then I'm applying the Maybelline Made for All lipstick in the shade Spice Me. And that completes this cat eye look. Let me know if you like to wear winged eyeliner in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!